Hi, I'm Suzanne Hawken, and I'm with Road to Closings, a business and marketing agency, and also a realtor with eXp. Today I'm going to talk to you about Canva, and not just Canva as a static image creation tool that you can use for social media, but how you can create Canva templates that you can use on social media that will stand out from all the rest. So let's get started. So we're going to first go to canva.com, as you can see here. And then on the left-hand side, we're going to create a design, and we're going to choose animated social media. From here, you will see on the left-hand side, it takes you straight to the templates that they have ready-made for you to use. If you scroll down, you will see all results. And here you will see that they have moving pieces to the templates. Let me bring one of these up so you can see it better. So if we use this one, you see that there is a circle being drawn around this text, which brings your attention directly to it. If you can imagine seeing something like this on your social feed, you're going to see it and pay attention to it more than you would with just a static image, because we know that moving pieces, videos, they all get seen and looked at more often than static images. So let's talk about what you can do with this. The first thing that I would recommend is changing out this image, of course. You can do so by going to your uploads, and you can either upload a new image or video, or you can take one that you've already uploaded previously. So I'm going to use this image, and I'm going to just simply drag it over to where this image is, and you can see that it just automatically takes the shape of the one that was previously there. Then I'm going to update this text right here, and I'm going to type brand new listing. You can change this text so that it is a different color simply by clicking on the A and choosing whatever color it is that you want to create or change it to so that it stands out better. I'm going to use the white one, and then I'm going to just move it down a little bit so you can see it better on this image. We can then take this circle and just move it down a little too. You can actually change all of these pieces of this image simply by choosing over on the left-hand side, elements. You can delete any ones that you don't want, like so. You can put it back by pressing the undo button. And you can actually add more stickers, which is what this circle is called, by simply going over to the elements, scrolling down to where it says stickers, and clicking see all. I really like the arrow stickers because they're really grab your attention. And if you see here next to arrow stickers, it says see all. And again, you've just got so many different opportunities and options to use different stickers for your template. And you can just simply choose one, drag it over, and make it smaller by pulling that corner piece up. And you can see that it really just drives your attention to this image. You then can download the video by clicking on the arrow button, and you can either have it as an MP4 or a GIF. I like to use the GIF simply because the image size is a little bit smaller. I'll show you a quick example of this on social media. This is one that I created for one of my clients, and as you can see, it has these arrow buttons that shows you the before and after image. Super easy. So that's my tutorial for today. I hope this has helped. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at the number right here, and I will talk to you soon.